Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me peeps. I have a story of you see me people. This a story must make me hit 20k subscriber tonight. Can you know how long me sit down on a story and a wallet? Me people, you have this brother here in America, have a plumbing company. Buy him own house, him alright, him comfortable. Until him go decide say right now, him have everything we want in him life. Him only need out him nice wife now and start get him kids them. And him go make this silly mistake and say him a go take up him high school girlfriend when used to have from Jamaica. Mercy God. And worst nightmare, me telling my people. Right now, make we jump into the story. You have this brother here, my people. Migrate from Jamaica. Go to America. Go and do him thing, them surfing ticket, them get him skill. And did their work until him build up him little plumbing business. The man business are going good, my people. It a work. The business a work. And this man here was just focusing on his business and I try to build up him life. You know, him ending up buy a house, have him nice plumbing van and sitting, because the man don't really want no car cars. I work him a focus on him, just have him nice 4x4 van and thing when him use and doing plumbing work and have him tool him and everything, my people. Right? Things are going good for him. Money saved up in a bank. Have him almost done PR feet. Business are going good. So till now him decides say, why? Them your woman here in America, you have a problem here, man. Cause he try 1 and 2 little relationship, but him never really have no time for them kind of focus on him business. So he must say the best thing for him right now is go get back a girl from him home country. Jamaica, when I'm hearty call booby boo 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 them. Right? Box cover me people. The boss decides say him a go draw back for him high school girlfriend when he used to have, because one thing him keep communication with enough people who him used to go high school with. You know them long time linkage there. You have some people who you know from long time when the linkage still keep. Right now you have some man where sometime at all them long time high school girlfriend or primary school girl them used to know from long time. They may not married somebody with them know from long time. But here the problem will happen to enough man now. The same woman who you did know 10, 15, 20 years ago is not the same woman now. She probably not have no money now. She probably not have no pitney. Nobody probably can tell us that she bad. Or not like that, but you don't know. You see a person, you can't see them heart. And that this was the problem. The man decides say right now the only thing he want right now is to start get youth. Because he not get no youth yet. All him focus was building up himself in a life. Now business are going good. Money in a bank. Have him house. Everything alright. All him need now is just a little empress in him palace. And draw out 2 little ballings out of her. You understand me I say? Alright, me people. The boss say alright now, I'm going to draw back for him high school girlfriend. Because him and her talk on the app, Facebook and this and that. And them talk and sitting on the phone and little thing and thing. So them communicate. You know? So him know say the woman in a relationship and nothing this and that. And the woman know say him in a relationship. Them never did not, them not pre no debate thing. You know, you just talk to somebody where you know a long time. But he reach a stage now, the man say, alright, at this a woman me a draw for. God Jamaica look for the woman, everything go alright, blah blah blah, everything go good. And the boss decides say, yo, you must take the thing serious. You get me? Doing thing Jamaica big wedding, married up, same thing. And you know if you asking on me people. When him got Jamaica, you know, tailpipe whistling on me people, but he will catch the man now. The woman go give him some sin where him never get in him life yet. In order for the man try to keep up. It's like say, Him have to go visit some of them P-Hub site if he catch up because him no experience them kind of something there. Me tell you say the girl laid upon him without mercy. Him turn idiot. Him turn baboon. And the man say, alright, boom. Relationship, married, next thing you know, woman they are foreign. But little did he know, this woman here, a long time today a Jamaica and nothing now go on for her. A long time she a try for little life to take her. So when she reach America now and see this man you have him little thing, him man talk to him and tell him how him life ago. But you know sometimes you know boot up yourself too much. If you make a girl rate you for what you have. So the man tell him say him a do well and ray and things. So when the girl reach America, when she reach in America and see how the man a live, when the man care him guy yard and him see how the man a live, and him realize about Rastafari. The boy you think no normal. Him realize the man think tough in America. You don't know see a eye then turn red. He eye them red, he eye them change color. He eye them change color. People, them did it because remember the man say you know, him want him youth them and no one sitting, you know. And them did it. The man get her pregnant. So you know say you have one little ball in span away. Right? Them did it, pit the band, something, woman did it alright, and the man now make the woman work. The woman now work from the woman did it. The woman just spend money because the boy have money save up. Nice house, business around, so the brother just go out and do him thing. Work a come in, everything alright, everything normal. Wife he did it, you know the thing go, and the woman that take care of the boy, you know, believe when me I tell you, know. The woman that blend up everything for him in him good carrot juice, him peanut and oats and him okra in it and them sitting there. And remember me tell you say that, boy, this a woman that must win a dance go. A Jamaica because some style and pattern where I hear say that the man they get from this a woman and the man chip lick. The man chip lick. Me hear say when this a woman you put on them man in a bedroom, when him drop it on him, if he say give me the house, he say take it. If he say give me the business, he say take it. Anything the woman wants she get. The man give the woman access to him bank account and give him everything because yeah. Sometimes when a man not used to woman again, that is a hell of a thing. Because all along this man only when I focus on business, setting up himself and know him alright. But he go take up a woman that look like him know the road. The woman know if he play her cards them. Yes man, he come like a Peter Patty woman that play. The woman know if he play her card them. You understand me I say? First thing the woman do, the woman jump upon him wicked. The man hard to keep up. Because members are hard working man, you know. No matter how you love it, you know, how you feel like for your tailpipe or whistling, you know. Remember, me tell you, see a woman will broke you down. And the woman will feed him to and put on the food and the juice them upon him. Me say the man a link a roots man. Kaima say I try keep up with that woman yeah. The man link roots man a Rasta bridge they have in America. And the Rasta bridge say, yo, yeah, you know man. Remember you're hard working man. You have to make sure say you drink your roots and sit in cause certain food and them thing they alone can't build your body the right way. To him I tell you Rasta man oh, him have a girl a yard there. He no miss nothing. When the man done working now, waste no time with no bridging again a street. Straight a yard. The man did it. Wifey did it. Him little son did it. You understand? And them a do them thing and them a do them thing. When the first youth reach 3-year-old now, right? The woman get pregnant again. And this time it was asked to another son. So the man have 2 pitney now. You understand? And by this, the woman almost there in America now for 4 years. You hear me I say? The woman now almost there in America now for 4 years, me people. Cause he only take him little scratch by the woman reach there. For breed, you know. You understand me I say? And this a first youth, you know. Almost 3, the second youth go born. And this a man you have 2 youth now. Business are going good. Everything are going good, my people. And this a man you have flushy money upon the woman. And the woman has spending money. But little did the man know say the woman have access, the woman access to the bank account. And the woman has send money at Jamaica, build up house at Jamaica, you know. And the man no know for all the little time them did there. The man no know. Me people, the man no have a clue. The woman a name out the man. The woman name down the man bank account like a rat. When you leg a rat in a summer with cheese there. The woman name down the man a bank account. You hear me I say? And the woman stay right there. And build house at Jamaica out of this man. Me tell you a long time. So when they are Jamaica scraping about guess what? The man chose her. The man now watch the money because the man just have doing business and doing thing and give the woman access. Because the woman now work, he no make the woman work. Because remember all of him no shot and nothing, you know, all this man was just an empress of yard and him get 2 youth now. Him get him 2 youth and him have a wife in yard, so him happy. And remember me tell you, say, when he come on to saka and tailpipe the whistle, no shot in that department there. Can the woman make sure say him alright in that department there? And me tell you already, when this woman a drop the bomb, if him say, oh, still until the woman take it. Anything at all not too good for the woman, because the woman control him brain. The woman control him brain. And me people, you see, after the woman done do her thing, a Jamaica build up her thing. You understand me I say? The woman get him 2 youth them. The woman paperwork sitting there, the woman turn citizen in America. The woman a citizen in America now. Everything changed, me people. The woman start act different pan the man. Cause me say, trust me no man, me I tell you say sometimes, Jaja know. Jaja know. You have some people around you sometime and them do something secretly behind your back. And you never have a clue, you never have the slightest idea because your mind no did it so. You see, trust is an elevator thing. The man they trust the woman too much. Because him not worry about the woman, him not worry about bun, him not worry about none. Time I say, see there, me married her, carry her, come here, she not go to work. In a couple months time, a baby in gear. You understand me I say? And then by you say boom 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 a 2 youth him have the so. Woman have everything where him want. Say him not worry about bun, him not worry about nothing like that, him not watch nothing. Him only a running business, make money, chuck in a bank account. Woman a spend money, him not watch money, nothing, him just happy and alright. Woman build house in Jamaica. Man don't know nothing out of man money. Man account a maga down, because him lift up everything to the woman. You understand? Man account a maga down. You see the woman done the house in Jamaica and all of them something there. And the woman go get citizenship in America and alright. And the 2 youth, them did the same, you know. The woman want divorce. When we say the woman want divorce, but the divorce wasn't only so. The woman want divorce because the woman want the man house. The woman have people that tell her, I say, yeah. You know, say if you want him divorce, at this, at the marital home, so are you a go get it, or you think the woman a go get it? At the woman a go be the custodial parents for the 2 picnic them. And them a tell her shit. And them is something them never know. Me never know. Me think that when you are divorced half and half, it is not half and half so when kids are involved. The custodial parent I go stay at the yard with the picnic them because the biggest interest in a divorce is in the interest of the kids. So the woman make her plan long time. The woman build house in Jamaica. And the woman ready to take with the man house. I don't think that's the worst part. The woman also have to get maintenance from the man. So X amount of percentage from the way the business earn have to go to the woman for maintenance. So you don't think say, you don't just divorce and everything done. So no. The woman have a friend where I tell her everything. To show you how the woman wicked and devious. The woman plan to take where the man place. People, a man will have everything in America. And second, same one second down now with him picking them and everything. And guy yard go look woman. And ending up have to move out time own house. And go turn with friend in America. And when my earning in business now see nothing the woman done yam out the money out time bank account already. The woman below so the man bank account so any kitty where him have this up. If he maga down and the woman set up himself out of the man and now divorce business and them tell them say the woman have to stay at the marital home with the kids and the man have to move out. I never know them they sitting there. Somebody who a liar on my page who don't tell me a signal really go so. Cause sometimes me get some story, me don't know them. Me don't know the rule of certain countries. So me have to watch somebody on my page when know about law and know about divorce. Who not tell me if something really can go so. Cause me think say when you divorce a half and half no matter what, me get to me half, go do me a do and you get fear and you do what you do. If you are still the picnic them, you get fear half and the picnic them come with you and we share the time with the picnic them. The man have to move out of the house. And the woman in control of the house. And member say the picnic them young. The woman in control of the house now go sell, but no other changes can go until the two picnic them reach age 18 and come of age. So this is a woman you're alright. This is a woman you're alright. And the earnings from the business have to be shared with a maintenance with the woman. And if you take care of the picnic them, so every angle this a man you turn makajuk him. Every angle this a man ya turn makajuk him. Him thinks he ain't go pick up class a woman. Him thinks he dream come true. He make the little saka control him little brain. And lock off him little brain cell them make him can't think. And never realize he come like a black monkey and go saka and never realize. Salt him get salt. Man we have house. Business, vehicle, everything alright and look them you have to catch a friend yard. Your little savings water down. Woman bill house out of you. Your little business earnings so if you have bill up back yourself you have to share it. You have to share it. So you know go half and half the woman end up with more than him. All because this man decides say oh. Me want to settle down right now. Me no want a certain woman in America. Me I go back to my homeland and me I go for somebody who me know from long time, me high school sweetheart. So the man jump from up here so right back down to down here so. People, you see when me get the story? Me hear say the man maga down to one type of way where you that thing say a cancer him have. Stress a kill him to mama. Stress a kill him. The man can't even focus on him work no more. The man, me don't know he not go jump off a bridge. Me don't know how he not go jump off a bridge. When me get this story, them say the man hard. The man hardly a cope. Him only a stay afloat. Him only stay afloat a good thing. Saying we have good friend in America. And right now, people, when me get the story, they who to tell because you know what friends stay like already. After a certain time, them want you left them place. So this goes to show. Sometimes you no look at woman, you no know. Don't go run down no man who don't know 15, 20 years ago. But me know her from then and me and I used to do and this and that and way and thing. And take up woman. But no. What could have happened to make you can't find woman in America? And look how much people live in America compared to who live in Jamaica. What is the problem? Sometimes I saw some man pick until them pick shit. Believe me. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Who don't have to ask nobody nothing about me, you know. And nobody not have to tell you nothing about me. Because you already know me go to work already, me people. 1J Progress Entertainment and no other. Me people, me a beg you no please, you no press the like on the video them. Cause you no press the like on the video them, YouTube help to share the video them more. So me a beg you no feel like and share the video them for me, please. Remember say we want to get that 20k, you know, people, by the end of March, you know, and celebrate 20k, you know. We want that 20k, you know, people, and we know we can do it. Cause I don't like when they all loaf. I don't like when they are linger. I don't like when they are waste time. We are putting the work and we are bring the story them to you. Because we have them to bring 1J Progress Entertainment and no other. Believe.